Hi guys, welcome back. Recently I made an order with Cult Beauty. Well, I say recently, it was a couple of months ago. It's just been sitting in my cupboard. So today I thought I'd sit down, unbox it with you, show you what I've got, do a few swatches as we've got a bit of makeup and skincare. But if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Hit the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. Now with that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's dive into this big box. Now before I show you what I actually purchased, at the time Cult Beauty were doing an offer, and if you spent over a certain amount you got a free goodie bag. Now this goodie bag is absolutely jam-packed. I think there's 15 to 20 items in here and one of them is absolutely huge. I'm not going to unbag this now, but if you want to see it, leave a comment below and I'll do a video. But I am itching to get into this bag and start using some of these products. There's a mixture of sort of skincare and makeup, so yeah, let me know in the comments below and then I'll do a video sort of and unbag it with you. I'm going to give you about a week, alright? So if no one's commented in about a week, I'm just going to dive straight in. But look at this bag. I like this bag. So yeah, and this is reusable. It's very thick, very sturdy, so very pleased with that. So, like I said, I've got a mixture of makeup and skincare. Sorry, this box is sort of down here. So I'm going to just be leaning to one side and just diving in. The first item I've got is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic. This is 100 ml. I absolutely love this. I've not used this in a while. I've not picked up many new toners for a while either, so you know I'm really excited to be using this again. It's great glycolic acid. It's, you know, it's a liquid exfoliant, and at the moment I am having trouble with my skin. I didn't want to go for the full size as I do have a toner that's currently on the go, so yeah, I'm very pleased to be trying that. The next item we have is, I hope I pronounced this correctly, I do apologise, is the Rogues O'Neill Therapy Protection Bath and Body Oil, and this is 100 ml. This is a gorgeous glass bottle. This feels really high end, and let's give it a sniff. Oh yeah, that's very natural. It does smell botanical. It reminds me of like a garden and a greenhouse. That's absolutely gorgeous. I picked this up because my skin at the moment is so dry on my body. I wanted something I can just either pop in the bath or I can just pop straight onto my skin. I do use moisturisers, body butters, lotions, but at the moment they're just not cutting it, so I thought I'd pick up an absolute gorgeous smelling oil. I think this would be good for massage as well. Yeah, kind of really nice essential kind of massages. So I'm very much looking forward to trying that. The next skincare item is, it's a little set and it's by Drunk Elephant, and I've never, sorry, I've got itchy nose, I've never used anything by Drunk Elephant before, and it says it's the time to wake up. You get a cute little tin, I like this, and obviously they're sort of two sort of travel sizes. So we've got the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, and we've got the C Firmer Day Serum. So there's the hydrating serum there. I think these would be really good to travel with. Obviously they are travel sizes, but you know, they're quite small and compact. So let's pop a little bit of this on my hand. I've been so excited to try this. Oh, if it will come out. Like I said, this, oh, there we go. This box has been sitting in my cupboard for quite a while. I've been itching to kind of get it done. Doesn't really, not that I can smell anything straight off, but it is a nice serum, and that just, wow, yeah, I like how that feels. Yeah, definitely no fragrance in there, which is absolutely fabulous. As you know, I'm a firm believer of that fragrance doesn't really have a place in skincare. That has rubbed in absolutely amazingly. I really like how that feels. I do apologise, I kind of caught my hand the other day, so I've got a bit of a bruise and a bit of a graze on there. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to trying that. And this is the C Firmer Day Serum. Now let's hope that this comes out a bit easier. Ooh! I think this one might be vitamin C. This is orange and it's a lot looser in texture, as you can see. It is flowing down my hand. This feels a bit more oily. Oh, that smells very very musty and peculiar smelling. It's thicker as it rubs in. Obviously it's not a thicker serum because you saw it running down my hand, but it feels thicker when it's rubbing in. Yeah, I don't like how that smells. It smells very peculiar and it's very tacky. But we will see how it goes. I've heard so many good things about Drunk Elephant and they are really pricey brands, so I've not really kind of gone for them. But I thought the set was kind of on offer. So, you know, just try the small sizes is always good. I don't like committing to full size products when I'm just trying an item out. The next item I have, I absolutely adore this. This is one of my favourite setting sprays. It's a Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. Absolutely gorgeous. This is another pricey item. Full size, it's about £26. So I tend to pick up the travel ones. Kind of got this one and the Urban Decay All Nighter. They're my favourites. So let's give this a spritz. Oh yeah, I love how that smells. It's kind of quite coconutty. This is very hydrating, but it really does set my makeup in place. My makeup doesn't move with this, and I absolutely love it. The same with the All Nighter. It's just with the All Nighter, it's more matte. This one's more hydrating, and it kind of leaves more of a glow, which is nice. Yeah, I've got it in my hair, but that's okay. So I am so looking forward to using one of these again. Oh, and I'm throwing it away. The next item we have, which I'm quite excited about, but I couldn't get my shade, so I had to go for one kind of down to what I normally would. And this is the Ordinary new high coverage concealer, and this is in the shade 1.1p Fair. I'm hoping it's not too fair. I've heard quite a few good things about this, and this is so reasonably priced. It's sub £5. So for a concealer, I think that's absolutely amazing. I'm going to give it a bit of a shake. Shake, shake, shake. And give it a swatch. I'm hoping it's not one of those really thick concealers because I do have fine lines under my eyes. It does look quite fair. It does look very fair. But under my eyes I could always do with a bit of brightening. That's actually not too bad. I may get away with that. It's thick, but it's not really thick, and that has blended, as you can see, like a dream. So let's see if it'll cover up my... no. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to seeing using this. If you want to see this in action, I'll do a video for you, so just drop me a comment below and I'll do that. Quite happy to do that. It won't be this usual setup, it will be something different, so bear that in mind. But you know, I will do that for you. The next two items, it's the same thing but in different shades, and I absolutely love this product. It's the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. You've got Factor 50 sunscreen in here, which is fabulous, and I've got the shades Light and Fair. Light is my summer shade and Fair is my winter shade. So I'll just pop these both on my hands so you can see them side by side. Yeah, you can see in the packaging the kind of difference between the two. So this one I think is the Fair one. So let's pop this on. And then I will put the light one on just above it so you can see. Oh, that one didn't have a seal. This one does. I'm hoping that one's not been opened. Yeah, you can definitely see the difference here. There we go. So this top one is light and this one is fair. Now what they should have done was put a shade in between these, because this is really dark for a light shade and this is really light for a fair shade. So I'm hoping that I'll be okay with this. But like I said, the light one is my summer shade. As you can see, it's quite darker. It's when I've kind of got that tan. And this one is the winter shade. But there is certain times in the year where I can't use either of them because this one's too light and this one's too dark, so I'm hoping I can mix them both. So that will be cool. I absolutely love it as well with the sunscreen, but always make sure you've got adequate sunscreen underneath it, because to be honest, you can't get enough of that on your face for you to have a factor 50 sunscreen unless you want to be absolutely caked in foundation. So there you go. The next item, oh, I'm so excited for this. I have one of these already in a different shade. This is Natasha Denona Mini Star palette. I love these palettes. Natasha Denona is a very pricey brand. You know, you're looking at £60 to £100 a palette. Now these are sort of like 20 odd pounds, and you get to test the formula without paying the huge price tags, which I think is great. This colour here looks absolutely stunning. Now this formula, it blends like a dream, it doesn't crease, it's absolutely amazing. These are the best eyeshadows that I've ever come across. So I'm so excited. Now let's get some swatches on. I swatched 4 of them for you. So there we go. That one looks gorgeous, so does this one. Oh wow, I wasn't expecting that. This green one is monochromatic. It's like a purpley pinky green. Absolutely stunning. I wasn't expecting that at all. The matte has just glided on amazingly, and look at these kind of goldy shades. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, I can't wait to get them on my lids. I'm all excited. I've got 2 items to go. I tell you what, I keep buying eyeshadow palettes, but I'm running out of space in my cupboard. The next item is the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is the gold palette. These are like my go-to shades. I absolutely kind of love the gold, neutral kind of tones. So I cannot wait to dive into this. Absolutely gorgeous. Her formula isn't as good as Natasha Denona. I would put it on the same kind of level as Urban Decay, in my kind of opinion. I like Urban Decay's formula, but like I said, it's nowhere near what Natasha Denona is. Some of the shades in the palettes of Huda Beauty that I have been hit and miss, you know, and I have experienced quite a lot of fallout with some of like the glitter and shimmer shades. But you know, do your eye look first and you can get around it. So let's swatch some of these. I'm going to go for that dark matte as well, just to see how that swatches. Wow, we kind of got like a glitter, we kind of got glitters, shimmers. Look at that matte shade. Now if that gets in the crease, how it has on the finger, that would be absolutely amazing. Yeah, this is a good formula. That is a good palette. I'm quite pleased with that. This is gorgeous. It's so rich and chocolatey. This is another matte that just glided on like no tomorrow. There's no patchiness, and then obviously you've got the couple of shimmers here and one here. Absolutely stunning. So yes, I can't wait to try that one out as well. Lots of eyeshadow looks coming. I can't wait. My poor reusable makeup wipe. My hand is getting sore. And the last item I have is the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. Now I wanted the new Wild West palette, but it was out of stock and I was really kind of bummed out with it. But I said, you know, I said to myself, I want a new Urban Decay palette. I have the Naked Honey, and I also have the Game of Thrones limited edition eyeshadow palette, which is absolutely amazing. It's like a set and you get a throne that pops up and everything. If you like Game of Thrones, you'd absolutely love it. But I wanted something that's a bit more pinkier, a bit more neutral. So I thought I'd go for this one instead of the Wild West. Let's take this brush out. Oh, and I've dropped it on the floor. The brushes are double-ended. It's double-ended and on the floor. They are lovely brushes. I really like them. It's good that Urban Decay put a brush that you can actually use in with their palettes. You know, they blend things out really well. I've not had any patchiness with them, and then you get kind of like a nice blending brush on one hand and a flat brush on the other, and that applies the shimmers very well. Here are the shades. These are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous, lovely. I can't wait to try these. Very, very pinky. So let's dive in. Wow. Very, very creamy as well. I've gone for a mixture of matte and shimmers. And there they are. I do love kind of like a neutral kind of pinky look. So I'm very excited to be trying these. Yeah, wow. I've kind of gone a bit nuts. Absolutely stunning. These shimmers are gorgeous. That one, I can't wait to get that one on my lid. This matte, yeah, it's gone on a little bit patchy, but I think I kind of skipped over like a vein in my hand, so it's kind of bumped up a bit. But yeah, no, that is very, very creamy. Absolute gorgeous colours, and I can't wait to try that. Now, their palettes retail at about £40 to £45. They are pricey, but they are absolutely amazing. I love the formula, and I will have to pick up that Wild West palette in the future. I can't wait. Kind of like a little treat to myself. I'm going to continue drinking my tea because I've done nothing but talk this morning. So I think I did quite well with this Cult Beauty haul. Cult Beauty do tend to sell more higher end products. Like I said, with that free bag, you had to spend a certain amount of money, and I think it was £170 or £180, and then you got the bag. But the products in the bag are worth over £300. So just as a reminder, let me know in the comments. You've got about a week if you want me to film unbagging it with you. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the items that I purchased from Cult Beauty. If you've used any of these items, or if you know there's something that you wanted to try, let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and you guys have been quite quiet recently, so come on, get your fingers a moving and leave me a comment. Thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.